name is Yesica. Johanna. Paez. Carrillo. Description of my house. My house is in a second floor. There is a living room. There are 2 windows. There are 3 bedrooms. In principal, there is a door. There are two bathrooms, one and my bedroom, and other in the entry. And the kitchen is small. There is the laundry. Thank you.